Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive north on I-57 in Illinois. But first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if this video is something you find entertaining, I encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or some other road trips I have taken. I would also appreciate it if you could show some support to my channel and the creation of more road trip videos like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Also, I would like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins heading north on I-57 in Mattoon. We will continue north on I-57 towards Chicago, passing by Humboldt, Arcola, Tuscola, and finally into the Champaign-Urbana area, which is where this video will end. This video is from the 10th day in my adventure to the West Coast and back, which has not only featured a handful of beautiful national parks and monuments, but also thousands of miles of dashcam video just like this one, including I-17 between Flagstaff and Phoenix, and/or I-44 between Tulsa and Oklahoma City. If you missed any of those videos, be sure to check out the playlist from this trip to catch up. Also, make sure to check out the video description to see a full list of places we have been or going to be, and also some ways you can financially support my channel and the creation of more road trip videos. Finally, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any videos from this or future trips as well. But for now, I'm going to keep driving north on I-57 in Illinois. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button or maybe chipping in for gas with the super thanks. In the next video from this trip, we will continue north on I-57 toward Chicago. So make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching. And until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.